Today, Jane is making Joe and Tommy's favorite soup, ham chowder with potatoes and vegetables. What better soup to come home to after a hard day at work and school? Jane is using a new modern appliance called the microwave to cook her bacon. No splatter and just as crispy if you made it in a frying pan. Yes, Jane is in a modern country kitchen. Boy, doesn't that look good. Don't you just want to eat one of those slices of bacon? But you can't. They're saved for the soup. Jane grates 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese for the soup. Jane uses great value classic ham steak from Walmart, cut into bite-sized pieces. Jane is trimming off the hard rind that can cause indigestion. Veg-all, vegetables in a can. Oh, but wait, there are too many carrots. Jane will have to take some carrots out in order to make her soup. A balance is important. That's better. Jane saves the leftover liquid, which will be used in the soup later. Jane measures the leftover vegetable liquid and enough water to make 1 cup.
Jane adds the vegetable soup to the saucepan, including 1/3 cup of onions and 1/3 cup of celery, simmering until tender.
Jane mixes the Great Value Country gravy mix with 1 cup of milk and adds it to the saucepan. And 1/8 teaspoon of thyme. Jane adds 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. Oh no, is that too thick? No, Jane's going to add milk for desired thickness. See, there it is. Jane adds in the potatoes and vegetables. Jane adds in the ham. Oh, doesn't that look good? Just a touch more milk. Oh boy, Joe and Tommy are gonna love this. Joe and Jane like bacon and green onions on their soup. While Tommy likes goldfish crackers. Joe seems happy. Tommy seems happy. Joe and Tommy seem happy. Even Gracie the cat wants some soup. Ha 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 ha.
Joe is happy. That's so good. Tommy is happy. Oh my God. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say.